Dear students, I am Sobha Bansiwal, Assistant Professor English, SPC Government College Beam. Today I am going to explain the story Sparrows by K.A. Abbas. K.A. Abbas was an Indian versatile writer and short story writer. In this story, he tells about a person whose name was Rahim Khan, and he uh, he became very hard-hearted because of the frustrations of his ambitions, and but at last he he a transformation comes over him due to his love for sparrows. Here in this story, Rahim Khan uh, Rahim Khan is a 50-year-old man. Uh, when he and he had been married 30 years. When he was 20 years old, uh, he fell in love with a girl whose name was Radha and who was Hindu, and she was a daughter of a Baniya. Um, um, whose name was Ramcharan, and but he could not marry her because Radha was from Hindu religion, and his parents did not allow him to marry Radha. Um, and Rahim Khan wanted to a circus party came to his village, and he wanted to um, be a member of this circus company because Rahim Khan was very strong and strong bodied person, and he had skill in many feats and athletic feats like kabaddi, um, diving from bridge, and wrestling, etc. Um, but his parents did not allow him to uh, become a part of this circus company, because they thought that it was immoral and lowly task to work in a circus company. So they did not allow him, uh, and that circus company went away from his village in a few days, and he was left behind. Thus, both of his ambitions were frustrated uh, due to his parental authority, and their beliefs in traditions, and their traditional thinking. So, due to the frustration of his ambitions, Rahim Khan became very hard-hearted. He became very embittered and angry with his parents. He had anger in his heart against his parents, against his society, and everything. Later, after some time, he was married. Radha was married to a middle-aged uh, fat man of a neighboring village, and Rahim Khan was also married uh, to a girl chosen by his parents. The date was fixed and they got married, and Rahim Khan decided that he will take revenge upon his um, family and society. So he became embittered towards his wife and everything. His wife tolerated his cruel behavior with her for 30 years. She uh, Rahim Khan often beat her, and there was not a day in a week. Uh, there was not a week in which he did not beat his wife. Um, but his wife accepted her fate, and she adapted herself to the behavior of her husband. So, uh, Rahim Khan's son Bundu left him 6 years ago. Um, um, because Rahim Khan severely beat him. Um, and after 3 years, his younger son uh, Nuru also left the home to be united with his brother. Uh, and when the story begins, Nuru uh, Rahim Khan returns home uh, from field. Whenever he returns home from field, the people are sitting in the evening on chopal and they are talking and sipping hookahs. But when they see Rahim Khan, they talk very slowly about him, look at the hard-hearted devil uh, who has no heart for human beings and even for animals. So they talked about him. Rahi- when Rahim Khan came one evening when he returned from his field, a woman came out of her house and she informed him that his wife had gone away uh, to her brother's home in Nurpur and she will come back in a few days. But but Rahim Khan knew that she will not return back. She has left him. Uh, Rahim Khan became very embittered, very angry when his wife left her because although because he had become habitual of her, uh, and although he did not remember her, but he felt uncomfortable without her, and he needed help in all the works. Uh, so, so he wanted to pour out his anger and frustration, but there was no one on whom he could rent out his anger. There was a cat mewing in the corner uh, in a room of his house. So in his angry mood, he took this cat and it threw it out of the window. Then he sat down. Then he lied down, or then he lay down on his cot, and he did not took suffer that day, and he began to think about his past when he was 20 years old, and he remembered all the incidents, how his ambitions were frustrated by his parents and and his parents authority. So and how he became embittered and hard-hearted person. He remembered all this. Then uh, then next then next morning he woke late, um, and he decided that he won't go, and he decided that he would not go to field that day. He milked the cows and then he took the breakfast. Then he saw that then he decided to clean his hut. When he was cleaning his hut, he saw a, a nest in the roof of his hut, and when at at first thought he decided to throw it away and destroy this nest, but he decided to look into it. So he brought a s- ladder, and he peeped into the nest. The other sparrows, the parents of the sparrows who were parents of the little uh, young sparrows, were fighting with Rahim Khan to save their younger ones. Um, the mother sparrow even made scratch on him. Um, so Rahim Khan became impressed by their struggle to save their younger ones. So he decided not to harm them, and he next more. Next morning he went to field, and in the evening he returned back with his two oxen, and and one day when it was raining very heavily, he came early from his field, and he saw that his roof of the hut was dripping at the place where the nest was situated. So he brought a ladder and went on the roof and fixed the um, leakage. But during this whole procedure, um, during but when he was fixing the hole or leakage, he drenched completely in rain, and uh, in the next morning when he woke up, he had a fever. He um, he, wo- he was lying on his cot, and he was uh, the he remained ill for a few days, and the village people became anxious to know about Rahim Khan, because they didn't look him for a few days. So they went to his hut and they peeped into um, the they they looked inside from the space in his door. So they saw that Rahim Khan was lying on the cot, and he was talking to someone. As Rahim Khan had given the name of Nuru and Bundu to these sparrows, which were younger sparrows. Uh, so telling he was talking to these sparrows. He was saying that who will take care of you, Bundu and Nuru, when I have gone? When these villagers heard the sentence from him, they thought that um, Rahim Khan had become mad. So they sent a message to his wife that Rahim Khan is ill, and he needs he that he was ill and he needed his wife's care. When the next day his wife came with her two sons. Uh, they uh, they they knocked on the door, but the door didn't open. The villagers also tried to open the door. At last, the door was broken open. The door was broken, and they found that Rahim Khan had died. So in this story, we see that the frustration of ambitions made Rahim Khan very embittered with life, and he became a cruel-hearted person. Um, and in the end, when he had love for younger ones, the little sparrows, a transformation came over him. Thank you.